All right, Dow Jones Industrial's down 80 points. Markets go down, they go up. But there are some investments that can weather any climate. So says today's countdown closer, Eric Schoenstein, portfolio manager at Jensen Growth Fund's $6 billion in assets. You're doing something right. All right, Eric, let's start first off. What kind of companies do you consider all-weather stocks?
It's really companies that have competitive advantages. They have a lot of free cash flow that they produce. Essentially, they have characteristics that allow them to create value as a business, sort of regardless of what's going on economically. And it's that characteristic of constant value creation, consistent value creation, that allows them to be, as we would call it, an all-weather kind of company.
Well, Becton Dickinson is fascinating, too, because they are a big syringe company. And then you've got Microsoft, which many people know is the biggest software genius giant out there, TJ Maxx, Ecolab. Tell me, when you look at these stocks and you consider them, what kind of elements can they be exposed to and still hold up, I guess?
Well, they get exposed to the very same elements that every company gets exposed to. You think about what's going on right now with the rising interest rate environment, currency headwinds, potentially commodity costs or input cost increases. But it's because of the competitive advantages, because of things like strong pricing power, good management teams that understand how to utilize the free cash flow that they produce, that they can move through those sorts of economic dynamics without it harming their business in the way that maybe it might do with a lower quality kind of business that may not have those same strong characteristics.
We're going to put all of Eric's picks up on Facebook.com/Liz Klayman. Eric, fascinating stuff. All-weather stocks. We love the theme here. Eric Schoenstein.